So I've got two £5 vouchers for Lidl, and I'm going to go see how much food I can get for £10 and if I can get it to last me through the week. So it came to £9.89 on my calculator, £9.95 at the till, and this is what I got. I'm back from Lidl and I'll take you through what I've got and what I plan to do with it. I'll probably do a video as well of some meal prep, because a lot of this can be prepped in advance and done in a big batch to save kind of multiple cooking. But I'll take you through it now and give you a vague idea, because I don't even know right now. I'm rubbish at meal planning. I like to have stuff to hand and just go crazy, so we'll see how it goes. So breakfast kind of related stuff. I picked up a big thing of oats. This is a whole kilogram. This is way more than I'll need for a week. So I'm thinking you can do porridge, but you could also do, or what I will do, is banana and chocolate oat peanut butter cookies. So I've got the oats for that. I've got the bananas to make that. Where are we? A little bar of chocolate. And the peanut butter, so that's to make kind of breakfast cookies or even to make porridge. The peanut butter will also be used to make curries. Now I've got a jar of this tikka masala paste. I could have got lots of little jars of like flavourings and things, but that would have cost a lot more. This was £1.09, so everything's going to be tikka masala flavoured when it comes to savoury food. So this, plus a bit of peanut butter to make it nice and creamy and thick, and some passata is my basic curry sauce. So with that I've got some frozen mixed veg, so that'll be curries for the week. I've also got some potatoes. So what I can do is any leftover curry, I can add potatoes to it, mash it up, and it's a bit like pav bhaji, which you can put on bread. You can make it into a sandwich. So that'll be some sandwiches for lunch. So I've also got some wholemeal bread here to go with it. Alternatively, there are sandwiches which I've seen in cookbooks, like Indian sandwiches, where you've got your chutneys. It's basically a chutney salad sandwich. So I'll be using this as a spread, slice up some potatoes to make it a bit more bulky, a bit more filling, and then I've got lettuce. I've got, where are we? Onions, lots of onions, cucumber, and tomatoes. So that'll make a pretty decent chunky sandwich, which I'm a big fan of those sandwiches. I eat them all the time. To go with that as well, so again we're going back to the tikka masala paste. This will be with tomatoes as well this time. I've got some yellow split peas so that I can make some dal. So while sometimes we'll be having curry, other times dal, I might mix the two up to just stop it from getting boring, but this is going to be plenty for a week. So I've got that as well. I've got rice to go with this. I was thinking on the way home of making like a soup with that, so I can make a soup, and again I can bulk it out with just a little bit of rice in it, so we'll see what happens with that. And what else? Last couple of bits, tin of beans, because they were 20 odd p. That will last 2 days as a breakfast or a quick lunch, so some baked beans on toast. It's a nice combination. Again, could spice it up with the trusty curry paste, or even add some onions or tomatoes to it, just to kind of make it again a bit more bulky. And some lemon juice. I drink lemon juice in water all the time because I find it easier to drink water that way. Pop that on top of the curry, in the sandwich, everything. It just lightens it up, makes it a bit more fresh, make a nice and clean taste. So lemon juice. And that's it. It's quite a lot of stuff for £10. So here it is. A 5p carrier bag was added but not actually taken, just because it had to come to £10 exactly. So here's your costings for everything. And yeah, for some reason when you add a voucher it adds 2p as well. So it came to £9.95 in total, minus the bag that I didn't actually get and the cost of the 2 vouchers. Weird.